everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making DIY Pokemon snow globes. So I've been seeing these a lot on my Instagram feed and on my YouTube recommended, and I just want to try it out for myself. And this is my first attempt at trying these, so we're gonna do this together and go through the process and see hopefully if they turn out well. Like I said, it's the first time I'm trying them, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but let's give it a try. So here are the materials I have. I bought some plastic snow globes so that they don't crack and break when I use them or if I drop them. I have these little figures that I got off Five Below. I have 8 of them, so we're actually making 8 snow globes. And I also have some figures that I bought off of Amazon to help decorate the scenery. I just got some Caulk from the Dollar Tree to help make that snowy texture on the base of the snow globes. I bought some fake snow from the Dollar Tree as well. A lot of the materials I'm using here today are very inexpensive and easy to acquire. If you'd like, you could make these as gifts, or you could do them together with friends or family.
Let's start off with the base. The first thing I did was coat a thick layer of Caulk all over the base. I didn't apply anything else, nor did I sand the plastic base down. I guess you could say I applied the Caulk on raw. After all, it is used to stick toilets to the ground, so I'm sure it'll keep these Pokemon captive forever. Or at least I really hope it does. Now I'm sticking all the figures and props onto the fresh Caulk. Before starting, I grouped all the characters with the props I wanted for them. That way the layout is planned beforehand. I'm not placing all the items randomly. The thinner items weren't sturdy enough to stand on their own, and the Caulk was too wet to hold them in place, so I had to wait about an hour for it to dry enough first. I used glue to stick them all on later. These Gudetama figures I bought already had their own bases, and luckily for me, they fit perfectly onto the snow globe's base. As you can see here, I tried applying a thick layer of Caulk first onto the base, but there was too much excess, which made it harder and messier to work with. I also tried putting the props on, but the surface wasn't leveled enough, and all the props would slide off and they would just look weird. For now, I'll set them aside to dry, and later I'll add more Caulk layers. It was so much easier to apply a thin layer, stick the finger on firmly, and then apply thick layers of Caulk on the figure's base. I wanted to completely cover the figure bases so it looked like Gudetama was lying directly on the snow. The only problem is I had to apply multiple layers of Caulk to create that smooth, leveled surface. Now I'm using this tacky glue to stick these candy canes onto the Caulk base. This glue is really strong and doesn't take too long to dry. I stuck the candy canes into these crevices so that the figures and props can hold them in place until they were dry. Using a small blade, I blended the glue on the figures and into the base so that it looked cleaner and it adds more stability. Later, I added more glue and caulk into the areas that needed more stability. To finish the bases off, I added a layer of snow using 1 part Mod Podge, 1 part glitter, and 1 part glue. I used an old paintbrush to apply the mixture. Then I sprinkled more glitter to cover the blank spots and patted them in with my finger. Before putting the figures into their jail forever, I decided to add some glitter as snow. I didn't want to add any glycerin or other liquids into the globe because I didn't want to risk it leaking. I also didn't know how the figure's paint or the glue would react to being in liquid for an extended amount of time. It was just easier avoiding it altogether.
Don't leave me here! My house! My God! Help me!
After adding all the figures into their prison cells, I shook the globes really hard. I just wanted to be 100% sure that everything was held together nicely. And luckily, all of them passed the shake test. I bought this peppermint ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I glued the ribbons onto the edges of the snow globes and it just made everything look so much more festive. Finally, our project is complete and I am so happy with the way things turned out. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one of my snow globes was your favorite. And if you tried it out, let me know how it went. I'm actually really curious to see if anyone else tries this. If you like this video, then smash like, and if you want to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. I have so many more video ideas for this upcoming year. Not only do I want to post more art and DIY videos, but I also want to try out some new things. I really hope you're there to join me. I promise we're going to have lots and lots of fun together. Alright everybody, that is all, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care and happy holidays.